Okay, so I just want to make this quick tutorial to show you guys how to create this cool zooming through space effect. So first what you want to do is, in a new composition, create a solid. I'm going to name mine stars. And then drag in the effect called CC Particle World onto your solid. And then you want to change a bunch of parameters to make it look right. First, you should move your timeline to about 2 seconds so that you can see the particles in action. Then you want to change your birth rate to about 15 and your longevity to about 0.4. Should look like this now. Next, you want to go to producer and change all your radius values to 1. And what this will do is it'll make sure the effect covers your entire screen. Next, you want to go to the physics section, change the animation to direction axis, keep the velocity at 1, change everything else to 0, except for this extra angle, which you want to turn to 90. And you can see we're already almost done. Now we just need to fix the particles. So you want to go into particle, set your birth color to white, set your death color to gray, and there you go. You have a nice zooming through space effect. Here, I'm going to put this at quarter resolution so it'll render correctly. And look at that. Now if you want to change how fast it goes, you go back into physics and just turn your velocity down. So like if I want it to be slow, I'll just move it to about 0.2, and look at that. It's now a slower fly through space. And of course, if you want to make it faster, you just move it past 1. And now you're going through like warp speed. So that's all I wanted to show. Another thing is, if you want to change how many stars there are, you just change your birth rate. Pretty obvious. And that's it. It's just a really cool effect that I think will be useful for a lot of projects. If you like this and want to see more, like the video. If you like my channel's content, please subscribe, and I will see you guys in another video.